Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of December the 10th to the 16th. Okay, another week over at Walgreens, and this booster is still ongoing, and if you read the fine print, you can use it more than once. So if you have it loaded, you can use it again this week. So first thing I want to address is this. I did put a community post yesterday to say, load your coupon right away. I didn't get this one, and then it magically appeared when I searched for the Oral-B IO toothbrush. A lot of you very negatively saying, oh, well, this is nonsense. I can't use it, la, la, la. If you look at the expiry date, is till the end of the year, so hopefully your store will restock it. I would try and get a rain check so you can get post $15 of Walgreens cash when you buy it, and to get it for the sales price of $59.99, which is this week. And all of these started to appear in my account, so at the very least, load them. If you're friendly enough with the staff at the store, ask for a rain check so you can get it when it comes back in stock later in the month. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, you'd really be helping me out. And if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing today to save even more money over at Walgreens. Every week we're looking for the best deals on this channel over at that pharmacy. Also, please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday, December the 10th. So the holiday deals of the week goes to this beautiful pack of Sharpies. The nerd in me wants all of it, but save up to 50% off. I looked at a comparable package of this for like $13 and some change. So half of that would be $6.74. I hope there's a whole bunch of these when it hits 90 in January or 80% because I'm going to buy them all. I love Sharpie. And then we also have the Starbucks holiday sets, usually about $9.99. So at half off, it's probably $4.99, and I'm looking at the cheapest cup with like a little thing of coffee inside, but still a very nice gift. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to look at, we're going to utilize this guy, which is the 10 back when you spend 40. If you have the paper booster as well, like a 9 back when you spend 40, that would be $19 back, about 50%. So that's the way to do it, but we're just looking at it using this. And the promotion is a $4 register reward when you buy 2 gift sets. And typically these gift sets over at Walgreens are, I believe, $10 a pop. So we're looking for 4 of them to get us to that $40 mark. And we're going to get back a $4 register reward when we buy 2. This is in-store only. But putting 4 of those into your basket, that's $40. Have your booster loaded. You're going to pay $40 with your debit card. If you might have manufacturer register rewards, throw them in so you're paying less out of pocket. You're getting back $10 in Walgreens cash for spending 40, and then one $4 register reward, $14 back. So it's like 26 for the 4 or $6.50 per gift set. Again, if you have that paper booster, getting 19 back, it's a much better deal. And as you're using a booster for this scenario, do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Let's say you just want to throw in $20 in Walgreens cash. You just desperately want 2 of these Caress gift sets for Christmas. So grabbing 2 of them, that's 20 on the nose. Throw in $20 in Walgreens cash, pay down the tax, get back one $4 register reward. It makes it $16 for the 2 or $8 per gift set. And this is a deal where you're using 0 boosters. But I mean, if you just want something cheap, make it happen. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is the Vitafusion. We're going to have a 10 off 2 digital coupon. Double, triple check IBOTTA. I know that some of these rebate apps is Walmart exclusive, such as Checkout 51, so that'll do nothing for us. But grabbing 2 of these is $25.48. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $15.48 for the 2, or like almost $8 per vitamin. If this is your favorite thing, by all means, if you wanted to throw this in with a basket, like, spend 40, get back 10, and you desperately use Vitafusion and you need it for your diet, it's a great price point. But for extra savings, we need like some sort of rebate on IBOTTA or some of these rebate apps, because right now that's just a bit too rich in my book. But if it's your favorite supplement, I mean, it's worth it. The next deal is with the Colgate. Now it says $3 online coupon. Is it going to be for both the paste and the brush? If it is, this is going to be a complete freebie. If it's a 3 off 2 for 2 items, it's not such a great deal, but we won't know till Sunday. But let's just hope for the best here. 2 of the Colgates, a brush and a paste for $9. Subtracting 2 $3 digitals if we may get it on Sunday morning. You're going to pay $3 out of pocket, get back a $3 register reward. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But Sunday, we're going to figure out definitively, is it $3 for each, or is it a 3 off a 2? I still don't know. Now, your other best friend is going to be this deal on the Gillette FOAMY, which is BOGO 50% off, $4 reward when you buy 2. So we have this digital coupon, which is a 3 off a 2. Please make sure you have it loaded. And guess what? It is actually attaching to the FOAMYs. So grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $5.23 on a BOGO 50% off promotion. Subtracting that $3 digital, you're going to pay $2.23 out of pocket, get back a $4 register reward, making this free and a $1.76 money maker. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Another super deal is with the Snuggle laundry care products. We're going to have a $1 digital coupon and a $1 register reward when you buy one of these products. So grabbing one of them, I think the dryer sheets are also included, so I might grab a couple of those. But $3.99, subtracting that $1 digital, you're going to pay $2.99 out of pocket, get back a $1 register reward, making this a $1.99 for a product that's usually like about $8 or $9. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down that balance if you're doing this with no booster. So now we have a large amount of honorable mentions. The first goes to the gain. It is to buy 4 of these products at $5.49 and then to get back a $5 register reward. And it says $1 online coupon. Are we going to get one for the pods, the liquid, the dryer sheets? If yes, this will be a fabulous deal to look out for on Sunday. The 12 packs of the Canada Dry, 3 for $13.88. If you are a soda drinker, look at that price point just for one of those 12 packs, $9.49. So that is quite a bit. So that is one of your deals of the week. And with the Hershey's Kisses, it's back, BOGO 50% off. We have a $1 off 2 IVC plus a 2 off 2 digital manufacturer. I think it shakes it out to like $2.99 per bag. So if you're into holiday baking or if you use it for, decor or gifting, stock up. And the Purex is a buy one, get 2 for free. So typically, I think these are like $7.99 for the first, and then you get 2 for free. If you have a lot of Walgreens cash or register rewards to throw into the mix, by all means. But it shakes it out to $2.66 per bag, which isn't the worst price point, especially if you like Purex. And I think the Sempides and the liquid is also included in this. And it's always a good item to have in your stockpile. Now, this is a really great deal, $4.99 for the Cottonelle, and we're going to have a $2 digital, so it'll drop it down to $2.99 for a 4-pack. The Viva is also $4.99. I had a $1 only for you coupon that popped up yesterday, so it would drop this guy down to $3.99. We have this really adorable pack of chapstick, BOGO 50% off. I think I need to buy every single one in this store. They are adorable and shaped like a Christmas tree. And then this massage gun for $29.99. I remember when these first came out in the market, they were like $150 plus. So to see it for $30, I mean, that would make an excellent Christmas gift for anyone, even like a Secret Santa gift. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.